What's up, adventurers? Today we're going to be checking out the Nomatic Luma camera pack. This pack was made in collaboration with Peter McKinnon, so you know it's pretty well thought out. It is 18 liters and comes in a bunch of different colors. Let's get right into it. Looks nice, very clean from the outside. They have this big strap system across that you can hook things on. On the front there's also a little tuck-away tripod boot. Boop. One side has a water bottle holder that has magnets, so when you're not using it, it stays nice and clean against the bag. The straps have a good cushioning on it, breathable. There's an adjustable sternum strap. There's a luggage pass-through strap, and the back has a very mesh breathable padded cushion. On top, there is a zipper. It leads to a soft pocket, good for phone, wallet, keys, anything you need easy access to, and covers this kind of whole top section. Looks like there's a few ways to access the bag. The camera access, side pocket. We love backpacks with this feature. Typically, when we are out shooting, this is how we access our camera. You're able to throw your bag around your shoulder, get to the camera, and the bag can go right back on your back. Then you have the top access to the bag, which just goes to a open area. It has a divider in there that is removable and adjustable, but as of right now, as a default, it comes about right here on the bag, so maybe 3-4 inches down to carry some of your general items. You can also access the bag through a giant opening, and this will be better for us to look inside. Boom! Now you have an idea of what the inside of the bag looks like. That top pocket helps you access here, but if you wanted more space just for regular items, you could remove this divider or move it down. Right now it is configured to carry more camera gear than anything else. Have your camera here, a few lenses, additional items, but all of this is adjustable through Velcro so that you can really carry it the way you want it. On the flip side, there is plenty of organization. You have a giant zipper that goes across with a little divider for 2 mesh pockets. You have a giant zippered mesh pocket down here. So these are great for keeping memory cards, batteries, or any of the small items that you want organized. It's straightforward, but has all the features that you need for carrying your camera gear around. I'm gonna link to it below so you can check out the specs, different colors, and pick one up for yourself. And if you have any more questions about it, or have other bags you want me to check out, let me know in the comments below. Thanks and happy adventuring.